Welcome to Think Global Education Services. In this lesson, I will talk about mean, median, mode, range, lower quartile and upper quartile of the data, a kind of the data analysis. So I have a question where I have to find out the mode value, range, median, mean, and sometimes upper quartile also. So we are given the statement of the question is the table shows a frequency distribution for 79 pieces of data. So total data is for 79 pieces, or there are the 79 values for which observation is made. When X is the number of children in a family, find the mode. So there is one family, there is one child in 9 families. There are 2 children in 26 families, 3 children in 18 families, 4 children in 11 families, 5 children in 9 families, and 6 children in 6 families. So there are 6 families where there are the 6 children, and maximum number of families has 2 children. Find the when X is the number of children in a family, find the mod. So mod is the value of X for which frequency is maximum. So maximum frequency is for X is equal to 2. We can see this frequency is actually 26. So mod value, or we can say there are 2 children in maximum number of families. So mod is X is equal to 2 or 2. Or we can say there are 2 children in maximum number of families. So mod value is 2. And next one is the range. Range is equal to, we know the formula for the range. Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value is here 6 and minimum is 1. We don't take the maximum or minimum of the frequency. We always take maximum or minimum value of the variable. So maximum value is 6 and minimum value is 1, so that is 6 negative 1, it's 5. So range is 5. Answer for the range is 5. Next one is median. So to find out the value of median, we need to find out cumulative frequency actually. So cumulative frequency, we can make one more row here. So let's draw a row and let's write the values. So first value of cumulative frequency, that would be 9. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 18 is 53. 53 plus 11 is 64. 64 plus 9 is 73. 73 plus 6 is 79. So you remember the last value of cumulative frequency is always equal to total pieces of the data in the analysis, in the distribution. So total pieces of the data are 79. So this last value is also 79. So this should match, or this must be same. Otherwise, you would have done some mistake in the calculation. Now for the calculation of median is actually the middle observation. Now we have total 79 values here. So median would be, if we have odd number of values here, we can use the formula n plus 1 over 2th observation. So 79 plus 1, 79 plus 1 over 2th observation, and that value would be 80 over 2, that is 40th observation. 40th observation, now we have to check from the table. See, 40th value won't fall under 35, it will come under 53. So we will mark this value. This is median actually. This X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is median, or you can write just 3 as median. Next one is we have to find out the mean. So value of mean would be, we can use the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. So sigma fx means multiplication of corresponding values of x and f and add all these. So 9 1 times is 9, 9 plus 26 2 times is 52. Next one, 18 3 times 54 plus 11 4 times 44 plus 9 5 times 45 plus 6 times, that is 36, divided by total number of pieces, or number of pieces of data, that is 79. So if you add all these, that would be 240 divided by 79. So if you simplify this, if you divide this, you would get 3.03. So this is the mean value. And the next one is upper quartile. So for finding the upper quartile, see, for finding the median, we have used n plus 1 over 2th observation, and in this one, for finding the upper quartile, we use 3 upon 4 times of n plus 1th observation. So that would be 3 upon 4 of n plus 1 would be 80. So if we simplify, that would be 20 times 3, that is 60th observation. So 60th observation, let us check from the table. 60th observation would come under 64. So upper quartile is x is equal to 4, or upper quartile is equal to 4. So for finding the upper quartile, we would use 3 upon 4 n plus 1th observation. And for finding lower quartile, we would use 3 upon 4 nth observation, 3 upon 4 nth observation. Though in this question, we don't need to find out the lower quartile, we have to just work out the upper quartile. So for finding median, we are using n plus 1 over 2th observation. For the upper quartile, we are using 3 upon 4 n plus 1th observation, and for the lower quartile, 1 upon 4 n plus 1th observation. It actually depends on the number of pieces of the data or total pieces. Since this is 79 is odd number, so 79, it is very difficult to do with 79. So we would use 79 plus 1 upon 2 to find out exactly what is the middle value. So for odd value of n, we would use n plus 1 upon 2th observation, and for even value, we would use just n upon 2th observation. So we can see it again, mod value is 2. It is because there are 2 children in 26 families. So maximum families are having 2 children. Range is maximum minus minimum. Median is middle value. So middle value we have done with the help of cumulative frequency. Mean is sigma fx divided by sigma f, and upper quartile is actually 3/4 of the n plus 1th value, that is 60th observation. 60th observation is 3. 60th observation is actually 4. So that is the upper quartile. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.